Hi, this is Technical Deepak from TechnoMinds Robotics Club. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you on my YouTube channel, that is TechnoMinds Robotics Club. And today I am going to show you my new device, that is Wi-Fi Jammer. So this device, you can jam any of the Wi-Fi networks and you can create the multiple SSIDs. Okay, today I am going to show the live demo of my device. These are the Wi-Fi networks available in my area, and this is the D-Link network which I have created through my mobile. And now I'm going to make the attack on this network. And let me start the attack. Now you can see that the D-Link network is being connected and disconnected, connected and disconnected again and again. This is due to the attack made by this Wi-Fi jammer. Okay, and now I am going to show you the next attack. Okay, now I am going to show you the next attack, that is the attack beacon and probe attack. So this attack we can create the multiple SSID. For that we have to go in SSID session and just we have to type the SSID name which we want to create. Let me create the Deepak Wi-Fi, DEEPAK Deepak Wi-Fi. Okay, and this will be a WPA2 protected, and number of SSID which I want to show, let me select 10. Okay, now I have to edit. Okay, and then I have to reload it. After that I have to again go in attack and let me let me start the attack, that is beacon and probe attack. Through this attack there will be more than 20 Deepak Wi-Fi networks. Okay, and which I will show you in the mobile. Now you can see there are multiple Deepak Wi-Fi network in the phone, and these networks are created due to the attack which I have made previously. You can order this Node MCU from the Amazon. The link I have provided in the description. Okay, and you can download the related software from the link which I have provided in the description. And you have to download the flash file. If your computer is 64-bit, then you should click on 64-bit, and if your computer is 32-bit, then you should click on 32-bit. My laptop is 64-bit, that's why I'm clicking on it. Okay, and now I'm going to download this file. Okay, I have downloaded this file, that's why I am again downloading it. Okay, and overwriting on that file. Now the flasher file is downloaded and I'm going to open it. Okay, and the flasher file is ready. Now we have to download the bin file. Okay, and you have to download the 1 MB bin file according to your node MCU. Okay, let me download this. Okay, now after after opening the flasher file, just you should connect your node MCU with your laptop. I'm connecting it. After the connection, you will see here the COM9. In the COM9, my node MCU is connected, and let's configure it. And in the configuration, you should select the file which you have downloaded by clicking on setting. The box will appear. Okay, and this is the bin file which I have downloaded, and I'm going to okay, now everything is ready, and just I'm going to flash it. Okay, now the program is being uploaded in the node MCU. It will take 1 to 2 minutes, so have a patience. Now the flashing is done, and after that you have to connect through the Wi-Fi of this jammer, and just you will see PWNET network. Okay, and you have to enter the password deauther, which I have mentioned in the description. Okay, and after that you should open your browser, and you should type the IP 192.168.4.1. okay, then you'll get the page like this, and you have to read the agreement, and just you have to click on it, and you'll get the page like something like this. Okay, and now you have to scan the APS. This will scan the network in your area and so here. You have to click on reload. Okay. Now here is the D-Link network which I have created through my mobile. Okay. Now you have to select it, and you can make different attacks. So you can start Duet attack, beacon attack, and probe attack. Okay. Now I am going to make the Duet attack. So this the Wi-Fi network will be connecting and disconnecting again and again. Okay. And by this attack, the D-Link network, all the device from the D-Link network will be connected and disconnected, connected and disconnected. This is the main work of this attack. Okay, and beacon and probe attack will show the multiple SSIDs. Okay, let me do these all attacks, and let's have a look on my mobile. Here you can see the effect of my attack. The D-Link network is being connecting and disconnecting again and again, and there are multiple SSIDs named Deepak Wi-Fi. Okay, and I hope you have successfully learned to make the Wi-Fi jammer, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We will meet soon by a next video that will be on home automation project. Through that you can control any of your electrical appliances through mobile by sitting anywhere in the world. It means we will connect your home appliances through internet. Okay, and I hope I will upload that video very soon. Okay, bye.